In front of me is POCO 4X GT, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications from apps of your choosing on this device. Firstly, just access Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Notifications and Control Center. Following that, click on App Notifications and tap on the switcher next to an app from which you want to disable notifications from, like Recorder. As you can see, all notifications from Recorder are now blocked. If you wish to enable them, just click on the same switcher. But you can always just click on one of your apps instead and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!